Halo, welcome to Learn Indonesian with Maria. In this channel, I will share you how to learn Indonesian in easy way. Today, our Buddhist friends in Indonesia are celebrating Vesak Day. So, today we will learn how to say Happy Vesak Day in Indonesian language. Selamat Hari Raya Waisak. Selamat Hari Raya Waisak. Selamat Hari Raya Waisak. Selamat Hari Raya Waisak. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the button like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye, sampai jumpa.